heel side rail coming right at you.
Alright, so I'll be teaching you a goofy position. For regular folks, just do the opposite. So your right foot is going to be over top of the right 2 bolts, and your left foot is going to be having your toe over like you'd be doing toe side rail stall. You're going to be pushing down on that right foot while using your back foot to help guide the board up, and when you land, you're basically going to try to land flat footed. Bend your knees, use your arms to balance, and then to land, you're going to push the board forward, or you can roll it forward. And while you're doing that, you're going to basically jump up a tiny bit just to let your feet not hit the board, and then land like so, and then you land solid. So let's show you a different angle of the heel side rail stall. So then you're pushing on your right foot, left foot guides it, which is your back foot, and as you can see here, you just lean forward and then kind of roll and then hop up at the last second. It's a really fun trick to do. So here you go, goofy position. Use that right foot to put pressure, left foot to guide it. As you can see here, use your arms to help you balance, and then land that sucker. Here you go. Boom, slow-mo, and then bam, landing that. So go out, practice this. This is the heel side rail stall. There's also the toe side rail stall. And there's also the noob side rail stall. I also believe that this is probably the hardest way to do rail stall, but it's also the coolest because it also sets you up on how to do your coconut wheelies. And also when you do rail stalls, it makes you look cool like riding one.
Alright, so that's how you do the heel side rail stall. So you all know what to do. Give this video a thumbs up for a like, comment down below, and please subscribe. If you guys want to learn how to do more intense ways of getting into primo, like kickflip into primo, let me know and I'll try to learn, and I'll also try to teach you at the same time. Thanks for watching. Peace, everyone.